What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you see in the title, we're going to be building this. So I just bought it. I haven't done nothing to it. I haven't drove it or anything. So first of all, what the heck? I don't know if I have enough money to upgrade it like I want it. So let's go to customize. Let's do the stuff like this. So light bar, that's let's do winch, sport now, repair pack, roof rack, jack, running boards. No. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, now all we gotta do is the lift kit and upgrade it. So let's tune suspension. Rear. Okay. Travel. Wow, that's it. That's all you can lift it. I guess you do the stiff this. Hold up. Thing. Can't lift it that much, but well, I'm kind of disappointed, and I'm not gonna. I'm very kind of. Wow. Okay. Sorry if you can hear my mom in the background. Everybody's getting ready to go to bed. So 024 rear. Let's do 024. Let's do 024 front axle width. Okay. That looks pretty even. Alright. It really wouldn't do much. Leave it about that. Wheels and tires. Alright, amount of money, so that sucks. So we'll do radius, rim size. Radius we'll do 1.6. We'll do 1.8 front. Rim radius 1.8. Okay. So I'm still gonna do more. Rim size. Rear. Rim size. Okay. Tune suspension. Front. Axle width. 0.36. 0.30. That's about right there. So I think that's. Sorry if you can hear my mom in the background. She's getting on my sister for not going to bed. So let's customize tires. I think I like the tires that's on it. Let's do rims. I like those, but I don't have enough. I don't know. Let's see. So here, well, here it is. We'll go drive it. But yeah, I will change it when I get more money. But there will be a part 2 to this, so let's go drive it. There will be another part of this thing. Trust me, I will do another build on this one. There will be a part 2, so stay tuned. I know this video is going up late. I'm recording it about 8 o'clock right now, but I have to edit it and stuff, so. This thing is pretty cool. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been kind of a quick video, but hope you enjoyed. Please leave this video a like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Like I said, there will be a part 2 to this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.